Good morning. Welcome to Study Helpline. Today we will discuss about tenses. Children, if I say I write an answer to learn. So in this sentence, the verb write refers to present time. If I say I wrote an answer yesterday, in this sentence, the verb wrote refers to past time. And if I say I shall write an answer tomorrow, in this sentence, the verb shall write refers to future time. So, a verb may refer to present, past, or future time. Now, a verb that refers to present time is said to be in present tense. A verb that refers to past time is said to be in past tense, and a verb that refers to future time is said to be in future tense. Hence, there are three tenses: present, past, and future. Now, we will discuss about present tense today. Present tense has four subkinds, which are present indefinite or simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. So first of all, we'll discuss about present indefinite or simple present tense. We'll discuss about its use. Now, the first use of present indefinite tense is to denote a habitual action or a habit. Whenever we want to express our habit or habitual action, we'll always use present indefinite tense. For example, if I say I get up at 7 a.m. every morning. So this is a habit. I'm used to getting up at 7 a.m. in the morning. So this sentence I have to make in present indefinite tense always. Or if I have to say I take my breakfast at 9:30 a.m. every morning. So this is also a habit or a habitual action, and for expressing the habit or habitual action we have used present indefinite tense. Now, present indefinite tense is also used to express general truth. For example, we can say the earth rotates round the sun. So this is the general truth. It will never change. So we have framed our sentence in present indefinite tense. Or we can say the earth rotates round the sun. So this is also a general truth. So we have framed our sentence in present indefinite tense. Now, present indefinite tense is also used to denote an action that is part of a fixed timetable or fixed program in future. For example, I can say the match starts at 9:30 a.m. Its schedule is already there. So we have used present indefinite tense to denote this. Or we can say the train leaves at 7 a.m. So this is also a part of a pre-arranged fixed program or fixed schedule. That is why we have used present indefinite tense. Now we'll move to present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to express an action taking place at the time of speaking. we can say, I am discussing tenses right now, or I am speaking about tenses now, or you are listening to me now. Clear? Now, present continuous tense is also used for a temporary action that may not be taking place at the time of speaking. The action may not be happening at the time of speaking, but still we will use present continuous tense. For example, these days I am reading a novel by Shivani. So the action of reading is not taking place now, but still we will use present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is also used to denote an action that will denote a future action that is near future, that has been prearranged to take place in near future. For example, we can say, I am going to cinema tonight, or I am going to meet my grandmother tonight. Clear? Now we move on to present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used to express an completed activity in immediate past. For example, I can say, I have just discussed present continuous tense. So that action has been completed, so I am using present perfect tense to denote it. Or I can say, I have just explained present continuous tense. So the action has completed, so I have used present perfect tense to denote it. Present perfect tense may also be used to denote a past action whose effect can still be seen now. We may not think of the action, but we will think about its effect in the present time. For example, I have cut my finger. Now we are more concerned about its effect. It's still bleeding or it is still paining. Clear? Now our next tense is present perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to denote an action that began in the past, that began at some point of time in the past and is still continuing. For example, I have been teaching tenses for last 10 minutes, or I have been teaching tenses since 9 a.m. Remember, since will be used for fixed point of time and for will be used for period of time. So that's all today about present tense, all its subkinds. We'll continue it in the next class. Thank you.